Welcome to my surfing how-to series, and in this video we're going to have a look at the Duotone Clickbar and specifically how to change your chicken loop for rope harness. Let's go. For that you're going to need two things, and that's obviously beside having the bar itself, and those things are the hexagonal key, which you also use for your fins on a surfboard, and that comes with the Duotone chicken loop. And the other thing is the rope harness chicken loop itself. As you can see, I've got quite a big chicken loop installed at the moment on my bar, and this is actually the biggest one that Duotone makes. It's the wake style chicken loop. And if we look at the rope harness chicken loop, this one is quite small. It's actually tiny in comparison to this one. So this big one is good for doing like unhooked tricks, because it's so easy to just remove it from your hook. So it's got big chicken dig. We are not going to be making any changes to the quick release system itself, and the construction of the chicken loops is very simple. So as you can see, we've got our quick release and the arrow pointing this way. So if I trigger that, the chicken loop comes out, opens up. And the only way that it's attached now to our bar, to our quick release, is via this connection here. So when it comes to changing the chicken loop, there is actually a screw which we have to remove or unscrew, and that way we can pull out this chicken loop. Then we're gonna expose our slot, which will allow us to place the new chicken loop. Very simple, and that's why we need our hexagonal key. So let's get going. Now with the screw we don't have to go all the way out. Most of it has to come out, but we are going to leave the screw actually inside, so we're just gonna get enough to release that chicken loop. Chicken loop comes out, and this is now fully exposed a slot for the chicken loop. And as you can see, it's as simple as pushing this inside, and the screw fits into that hole in the metal ring. Now make sure that when you slide in your chicken loop back into place, it's gonna go in like that, so horizontal in regards to the screw. You don't want to put it this way, because it won't just allow the screw to go inside. So you want to make sure that this metal ring is inside of the rope. You don't want to disconnect them. You don't want to connect your chicken loop without the metal ring, and if for some reason during the installation that ring falls out, you've got in a set with your chicken loop something what I like to call a pencil, this plastic thing which will help you then place the metal ring back into the rope. So you just feed the metal ring through the rope by using this. Now let's push our chicken loop inside and make sure that it's horizontal with your screw. Also, as you screw in, you want to pull this quick release open, because there is a rubber which wants to lock it. See, if I let go, it locks. So as you screw in, pull this away, hold it. You can hold on to this element and keep going. It will help you so the screw is not rubbing against this plastic casing. You want to screw it all the way so it's flush with the surface of your quick release. So I think that's about right, and you can double check by flipping it to the other side, and you can see that that screw is as well hidden inside. All you have to do now is close your quick release and to try your chicken loop. This is how the whole set looks properly installed, and that's exactly how it works because it's gonna slide here on the rope. So this is great for wave riding, strapless kite surfing. Now just for the comparison, you can see how big this chicken loop is. Another thing is that I like to keep my chicken loop in a semi-suicide setup. So I would open the quick release, and you can see this metal plate here, and this is the hole here for your leash, and just below it you've got this slot for your chicken loop attachment. So I like to feed this through here like that, and then I lock my chicken loop. The reason why I like to do that is because semi-suicide style will allow you to keep the kite powered. It's for use with the more advanced riders. If you unhook your chicken loop, unhooking doesn't mean triggering your safety system, quick release. So this is basically now unhooked chicken loop from your harness because it's not connected to the harness. And if I was gonna let go of the bar, the kite falls into the water, the kite is very much powered because that safety line is not going nowhere. This plate is not pulling it out because it's locked in a chicken loop. So in your normal, the most safest way would be to keep this out. So every time you let go of the bar and the chicken loop is locked, the kite's getting flagged because that line will extend, because your bar will be connected to you, to your harness via leash. This is exactly how it's done, so it's very simple and smooth process. I am Lassom, this is Lassom Athletics. As always, remember, be inspired, be creative and be active. I'll see you soon. On to the next one.